Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is your FitNBless Ambassador, and I'm so excited to show you guys what I got in my first ambassador box. This is the Detox Tea. This is the flat tummy tea. Listen, I have already used all of these items. This is the fat burning oil, and this works really well. I can't wait to show you guys the review. These are the sex sweeteners, and listen, these give you the WAP in bed. And I also got this towel from home. This is my second towel from FitNBless. Big up FitNBless, also my friend. This towel is really good quality. I love using it, when I'm walking out. I also got this treating as a little gift. And this calendar, listen y'all, this calendar is so good. It's really good quality, not the little flimsy thing that these business places here giving you. You get good quality, and all of the pages are so thick, and they have a little explanation of each of the different products. So I can't wait. And I also got this t-shirt. This is like my third t-shirt from FitNBless, cause listen. So stay tuned guys, I will be sharing with you the review of all of the products I have used. And yeah,